Audi vehicles use an intelligent service indicator system to help you maintain your car properly. These indicators appear on your dashboard and MMI system to alert you when maintenance is needed. Audi uses a flexible service system that monitors various components individually. Unlike fixed mileage intervals, this system tracks oil quality, brake wear, filter condition, and other components based on your actual driving conditions. There are three main types of service indicators you'll encounter. First is inspection due for general maintenance, oil service due when an oil change is required, and component-specific warnings for individual parts like brake pads or air filters. To reset service indicators on most Audi models from 2015 to 2025, follow these basic steps. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, access your MMI or instrument cluster menu, navigate to Service or Maintenance, select Reset, and confirm the action. This is critically important. Always perform the actual maintenance service before resetting any indicator. Resetting without doing the work can lead to engine damage, warranty issues, and safety problems. The indicators are there to protect your vehicle and ensure proper maintenance.